Welcome to the world of programming. Today, we are diving into two key approaches to coding: object oriented and procedural programming. But what do these terms mean and why do they matter? First up, procedural programming. This approach is all about a sequence of steps or procedures to accomplish a task. Think of it like following a recipe. You go step by step from start to finish, using functions to organize your code. In procedural programming, you focus on tasks and procedures. It's a straightforward approach that makes it easy to follow the flow of your program. But it can get messy as projects grow, especially when you need to share data between functions. Now let's talk about object oriented programming or OOPS. This approach is based on objects, which are like building blocks with their own properties and methods. So instead of following a linear path, you're designing structures that represent real world things. With object oriented programming, you can create reusable code and model complex system more intuitively. Classes and objects allows you to encapsulate data, making your code more modular and easier to maintain. So which approach is better? It depends on your project and preferences. Procedural programming is great for simple tasks, while object oriented programming is ideal for complex systems. Now that you know the basics, which approach will you choose for your next coding adventure? Stay tuned to know more about Python. Thank you.